Biafra deje. No. Obia. Ije. Freedom. Na udo ka ị na-arịọ. Anyị achọghị ihe mkpofu ọbara n'elu. Anyị bụ ndị Biafra bụ ndị ji udo na-aga. Maka ịlụ ọma ka eju na ji aga n'obi. Ọ ga-adịkwara anyị na mma. Ise. Ụmụ Biafra bịakene. Biafra na-atago. Igbo onwe mmadụ nọ. Igbo onwe mmadụ anatago. Ụmụ Biafra deje. Biafra na-atago. Eji megwu mekene chifu Nnamdi Kanu odogwu ga-adịrị mma onye eze na ọdụgoro gị mma ọkwa ndị solo ogili n'ụwa akọrọ gị ogili lacha ọkwa osisi bolo tolo eresego n'ụmakwere ọkwa anyị ma n'ọnọdụ ugo ọdụrụ na-egbe mma ọkwa ogogo onye arụ a na-achụ anya ọsọ ose ekwesị eliko nni ọ ga-ejikwe n'ogologo ngaji dike Kanu gị bụ na London dike Kanu gị bụ na Israel dike Kanu gị bụ na Russia dike Kanu gị bụ na India dike Kanu gị bụ na Biafra Nnamdi Kanu dike Kanu gị bụ na Biafra nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi anyị ga-azọgbu ndị ilo enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi ụmụ Igbo niile bekene Igbo onwe mmadụ anatago Igbo onwe mmadụ nọ ewo ọ dịwola anyị Igbo onwe mmadụ anatago
onye wele kesi zanye n'osisale my blood onye wele nke chukwu nye no chukwu okike obiọma onye give God what belongs to him and give Caesar what belongs to him as we seek for peace and humanity is not at all profanity. There are once people is killing each other. I wonder why my blood died. Who could be a flag? I join. I'm forgetting the men. I'm forgetting the men. Oh, the guide.
Nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi nzọgbu enyi mba enyi zọgbu ndị ile anyị na-enyi enyi mba enyi fellow let my people go Biafra anatago let my people Igbo nwe mmadụ anatago ndị ilo lapụga n'anya aka n'ụọ Biafra anatago Igbo nwe mmadụ nọ Igbo nwe mmadụ anatago ojude na-elapụ udene n'ude na-abụla mana anyị abụrụ ọnụ udene n'ụwa ihe ogogo I want to know something make una hear me ịbụrụ nwa Biafra na tebe n'ụlọ make una come back ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị ịbụ ịkpọta ịbụ expọta nataba n'ụlọ ka anyị dozie n'obodo anyị ndị dị n'obodo anyị ebe ọtụ dịkwa na be anyị ship na-agbakwa na be anyị oyi dịkwa n'ala be anyị mmanya kwụ dị na be anyị ihe niile dị mma ọ dịkwa na
Greetings, my people. Good morning, good afternoon. It depends where you are watching from. Actually, this video that I'm about to make, I hope is coming out clear because I'm receiving yellow red warning from YouTube signal. but I will not stop. I will continue. Welcome to Miro African TV. First of all, you may see my full name appearing, but Miro African TV is still active. Ndigbo anyị, ana m ekele unu, ana m ekwere unu niile. I don't know whether it will be better for me to say these things in Igbo or should I use this foreign language. Ndigbo anyị, mmadụ agwụla n'ụlọ. Our people have been wiped out. Ndigbo anyị, the same war that is going on in Middle Belt is now in our doorstep. You know, the only people that are holding these things back is the Igbo people. I noticed one thing. I noticed that they are daring the Igbos to do something. But the question is, why are they daring the Igbos to do something in Nigeria? I mean, the Nigerian military, all the Nigerian forces, including the private business of the Alhajis, that is the cattle business, it's private businesses. They are using it to dare our people. And I will also like those that has more high frequency in decoding issues to help me to look into this matter, because the earlier we figure out the reason why they are daring our people, it will be more better for us to counter it. Because I don't believe in jumping on issues and start battling. I believe in strategic way of handling things. Enugu State is facing a very powerful hit. As I'm talking to you now, most of you have come across the pregnant woman that was raped and killed in Enugu State. And also the 60-something years old woman that was also raped inside her farmland. And the people call on police. Military men were sent in and they killed a lot of people. They did not kill the herdsmen. They did not kill the people committing all these crimes. Rather, they killed the witnesses that may be standing to testify against these people, which we know very well they will never appear in any court of law. Why is it that all our politicians are quiet? Ike Kuremadu have been beaten up. Why? Because all these atrocities are happening in his own state. The only thing he can achieve since 2003, if I'm not mistaken, this man has been in Senate House. For what? For nothing. And a lot of his people are in support of this man. They just support him. Upon they see they are not getting anything, they are looking for complimentary card. Because of complimentary card, they don't want to confront somebody who have been in Senate since 2003. Till date, nothing. He's telling people how he helped and secured Nnamdi Kanu out of prison. Is Nnamdi Kanu the Biafran affairs? Is Nnamdi Kanu the Eastern region suffering? Is Nnamdi Kanu the Enugu State massacre that is going on today? Are we back to war? Is the war reactivating itself? Maybe, because Cold War have already started in Europe. United States versus Russia, trying to run each other in terms of military technology. And around that time is also when all these problems are popping up in Biafra land. People, you have every right to defend yourself. I do see videos where people are standing trying to tell a Fulani with cattle that is destroying his farm, begging them to leave the remaining cassava. That these herdsmen are moving around with digger, digging out people's cassava that is on the ground for the cattle to chew. It's like they want to sabotage the remaining agricultural backbone that we still have. What are they planning? What is going on? Why nobody's talking? You know that the massacre that happened in Rwanda, Western world, championed by France, helped that massacre to occur. Should we allow this second massacre to happen in Africa? Should the Biafrans fold their arms running from church to Messiah? Is it not high time we should start sending things home? Through one way or the other, through one backyard or the other. Now, the news that I'm getting is I think the airport in Eastern region has been shut down today. I mean, permanent shutdown. I think it's Enugu, the only international airport in Eastern region, and they are now moving towards Port Harcourt. What is going on? Something is cooking somewhere. Something is cooking somewhere. The herdsmen are overrunning the people, killing. Their cattle are sent to destroy the farmland of the people. And the military have blocked all the whole roads coming in through land, the entire Eastern region. And now they want to close the airport. Something is cooking. And the high time we decode these things that is coming, then our people may be able to see the daylight of tomorrow. And the only thing we can achieve is to celebrate New Yam Festival in the land of the white man, singing their Lord's praises in a strange land. Celebrating your holy tube in a land that even the land of the white people never accept the yam. You can't plant yam in Europe. But we are celebrating those yams in Europe. The yam that we are about to celebrate, where did we cultivate it from? Imported from South America? Something is wrong. Now, if you want to travel to Nigeria, either you land in Kaduna, Abuja, or Lagos, where they will be able to screen you very well and screw you out. Now, we won't be going to East again because the airports in Eastern region is closed down. And now, in the name of too much bed, now these cattle are now destroying the farmland of our farmers. If you open your mouth, they kill you. If you dare them, you pay with your blood. If their dig goes up, any woman inside farm is a victim. They will rape the woman, they will rape the cow, they will rape their cattle. And you are still talking to them as if you are talking to a human being? Do they want you talking to them, begging them on issues? Or should you confront them as the largest, strongest enemy? Something is wrong somewhere, my people. We must decode this thing. That I was in Abuja. Cattle were moving around the airports that can collide with a landing flight or flight that want to take off. They did not close Abuja. Now they are closing the airport in the eastern region that there is too much bed. Has any plane crashed because of the bed? Did any flight went down? Is there no other technologies that they do use to chase the birds away than to close down the entire airport? Permanent for now. It's permanent, closed up completely. And everywhere is just quiet. As I mentioned before, the Operation No Fly Zone should be implemented with impunity. Oh boy. Oh boy. This Western world, now our village. We have been giving them this privilege to tour around and enslave our people, use them, do whatever they like. And we should put stop to it. Now, if you hear that they are coming, leak the secret. And those people that went for the operation in Austria, to that foreign affairs minister, I will not give you guys pass mark, because that man did not receive any slap. And those tables were not turned upside down to show your anger. Flags have been flying around Nigeria. What we will be doing in this Western world is treat their fuck up. Treat their fuck up, because our people has a proverb that says, "Amara kpakọta ike, agwa ya osisi ejiri pịa ya." If the gods of the land are disturbing so much, they will show him the tree they used to draft or carved that spirit. It's high time we should start giving this, showing these people the wood that was used to carve them. Because if they cannot travel to US and move freely on the street, even though inside their hotel, because if you make trouble, they will push them out of hotels. The hotel company will push them out, because they will not allow the people to destroy whatever they have already established. It then means you can make it, they won't feel at home again. Upon the money they have banked in this country, it got to be useless. You have the right in Western world to protest against any political elite from your country. It is your fundamental human right. Nobody will touch you. Nobody will push you back. Protest against them. The method you use, Akalanye Korea, is protest. Yes, we have to activate it, enforce it, with all alacrity all over Western world, from Arab country to Europe, from Europe to Americans. Wherever you find them, make sure they feel that heat. And as you are doing it, video them, publish it, mess them up. The oppression mess up. We should mess these guys with impunity, with disgrace these guys. Because our people are dying. These Fulanis are killing with impunity and nobody cares. Nobody cares. Everybody just relax. As if it's normal. We should wake up before it's too late. Yes, we should wake up before it's too late.
Jehovah, keso kusaru Israel, nakaperu. Bile natara yo keranyo. Balie natara yo keranyo. Bile natara yo keranyo. Biafra bunkanyo. Obudama. Biafra bunkanyo. Ala chukutere manu. Zobu zobu, 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 Enyimba eni, nzobu zobu 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 ha. Enyimba eni, anya zobu nundelo. Enyimba eni, nzobu zobu eni zobu enyimba eni, nzobu zobu zobu eni zobu enyimba eni. IPOB nzobu eni nzobu enyimba eni, nzobu nzobu eni nzobu enyimba eni. Asikwa mni kwetike o. Yashura natako. Diligiri bigwe za wande mo. Ibo wema na natako. Odiye wate yela punu yaka o. Yashura natako. Akafuwa go funige wate na. Ibo wema na natako. Lapu kena anye kaina bamo. Yashura natako. Anya natako na anya natako. Ibo wema na natako. I wende kene. Oji say our able director. Mazi. Prince Nnamdi Kanu. Onye ọ ga-adịrị mma. Onye eze. I say gigaba. I say gigaba n'ilu. Don't be afraid. At all. Never you be afraid of anyone. You are a lion. Ọkwago na amụago. Anyị bụ ndị nzobu. Achukwu. Onye obi ọma. Nzobu. Enyimba enyi. Ụmụ obi afọla nzobu. Nzobu. Enyimba enyi. Nzobu. Enyimba enyi. Nzobu. Enyimba enyi. IPOB. Nzobu.